Moderate mag. 4.8 earthquake, North Pacific Ocean, Russia, on Tuesday, March 21, 2023 at 2:57 p.m. GMT plus 17 minutes ago. Updated. March 21, 2023 5:13 Greenwich Mean Time 86 seconds ago. Primary data source GIFS German Research Center for Geosciences. I felt this quake. Quake data interactive map new. Seismograms user reports earlier quakes here quakes in Russia. Moderate magnitude 4.8 earthquake at 10 kilometers depth. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. mk.tv earthquake.